In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly create a Trello card for a received email using Gmail and Trello integration. This is incredibly useful for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and keep important emails organized within Trello. Let's dive in. First, we begin the process by opening your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, you'll notice a small plus button on the right of your Gmail interface. Click on this button as it allows us to add new tools to your Gmail. What we need to do next is search for Trello for Gmail. As you start typing, the option should appear for you to select. Once you've found Trello for Gmail, click on it. You might need to click on it again just to ensure it prompts the installation process. Next, you should see an option to install this add-on. Go ahead and click install. You'll be presented with a pop-up asking for a few permissions. Just click on continue to proceed. This step ensures Gmail can integrate properly with Trello, providing a seamless experience. After that, another pop-up appears that will require you to click continue one more time. Follow it by clicking allow to give the necessary permissions. This step is important because you're authorizing Trello to work within your email system. Finally, once you see the done button, click on it. This completes the installation of Trello for Gmail, and you can now close the menu. Now let's put this integration to work. Select an email from your inbox that you want to convert into a Trello card. This could be any email with information you'd like to track or act on later. With the email open, you'll notice a Trello icon that has now appeared on the right. Click on the Trello icon and it should prompt you to log in if you haven't done so already, using your Trello credentials. This ensures that your Gmail and Trello accounts are properly linked. Once logged in, you might need to click allow to give Trello permission to access Gmail again. Now you can select the specific Trello board where you want this email to be added. Follow the same steps to select the appropriate list inside that board. With everything in place, you can now click add to create your card on Trello. Your email has now been transformed into a Trello card. To verify, simply click on view on Trello. This step allows you to see your newly created card directly on Trello, confirming that everything is correctly set up and functioning. That's it. You've successfully integrated Gmail with Trello and created a card for an important email. This integration is a significant time saver, allowing you to get more done with less hassle. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.